Following the Huawei P20 leaks can turn into an emotional roller coaster pretty quickly. First, we heard about 3 variants: Huawei P20, P20 Pro, and P20 Plus. Then, the Pro rumors were retracted and we got the more predictable lineup of P20 Lite, P20, P20 Plus. We heard about a triple camera module, only to see an alleged prototype of the P20 in live photos showing the same dual camera module as before. We admit we are spoiled in this age when the rumor mill churns out all the details months before a phone's unveiling. The Huawei P20 still manages to avoid spilling all the beans and confuse the rumor mill. Yesterday, we saw what is supposed to be a prototype of the device leaked in a few photos. Cool, we thought. We guess that's what it's going to look like? Well, maybe not. Chinese regulation agency TNA just published the photos of what is supposed to be the Huawei P20 and boy, does it look different than what we saw just yesterday. We have a physical home button, presumably with a fingerprint scanner on the front. We do have a volume rocker, and the dual camera module on the back is mounted vertically. It also appears as if the 2 lenses have different apertures or at least different viewing angles, but it's early to draw conclusions. Full disclosure, we can't really see these photos in the TNA listing for the phone right now. We are going off other tech blogs that have mirrored the images, so do take this with a grain of salt. Again. Source: TNA via Giz China.